Scotch pine. You can see the male parts are really getting big. I'm at the beach, actually. And this is the only pine tree. It's only tiny. There's no other pines like this Scotch, even close. So this blue here, how you identify Scotch pine. The needles go in little sprigs, little groups of needles. Excuse me. So you grab a little sprig of the needles and you count them, and if there's 2, you get Scotch pine. So let's grab a little sprig of needles. Pull it off. 2 Scotch pine. Look how little this tree is. It's just tiny. I'm here gathering mullein at the beach. I have a little secret spot that I come to. Scotch pine. 2 little needles to a sprig.